speed calculations. Please write down. Speed calculations. Speed calculations. In speed calculations, what are the concepts that you are going to discuss? We are going to discuss all the concepts related to a square of a number. We are going to discuss in square of a number. We are going to discuss generic technique on how to find the square of a number. Then we are going to discuss the specific techniques related to how to find the square of a number. Generic technique we are going to discuss, and specific techniques we are going to discuss. Then we are going to discuss, everything will be in order. You don't need to refer any material. My notes is as powerful. Square root. We will discuss for a perfect square and for a non-perfect square. Both the concepts we will discuss. Square root, perfect square and a non-perfect square. Then we will discuss how to find the cube of a number. Again, generic technique. Then specific technique. Generic technique we are going to discuss. Then specific techniques we are going to discuss. Similar to it, we are going to discuss the multiplication. Write down in the same order. Multiplication. We are going to discuss generic techniques as well as the specific techniques. Generic techniques as well as the specific techniques. We will solve as many problems as possible, which will help you to learn the concepts with an absolute clarity. These are the concepts which we are going to discuss. Introductory class, session number 1. This is going to be speed calculation, session number 1. Based on whatever we discussed in square, do not miss the afternoon session. Afternoon session will be a continuation of session number 1. Session number 2. Afternoon we are going to discuss how to find the last 2 digits of a number. These two concepts we are going to discuss in detail with a lot of problems. Which we are going to discuss. How to find the last 2 digits of a number. This is going to be the structure of the class. We are going to discuss starting with elementary level, basic level squares. Generic techniques are how to find the square of a number. Specific techniques related to finding the square of a number. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a non-perfect square. How to find the cube of a number. In fact, we can also discuss cube root of a perfect cube, and cube root of a non-perfect cube. Cube root of a perfect cube and cube root of a non-perfect cube. So basically 4 important things we are going to discuss. Squares we are going to discuss. Cubes we are going to discuss. Multiplication we are going to discuss. The last one is square roots and cube roots. Then we will extend it to an nth root. This is going to be the classroom structure. Let us not waste any time. Let us get into it. To all the students who have WhatsApped and are enrolled with us, 8058006789, I will send a book in the Telegram group once it is created. The name of the book is Arthur Benjamin Book on Speed Calculations. This book will help you for the students who are not good in mathematics and want to revise a lot of concepts. These also will be available in Google as a free PDF download. In case if you wanted that PDF also, I will send you. Kindly WhatsApp this number so that you will be a part of the Telegram group. Arthur Benjamin's book on speed calculations. Everything will be structured and every topic name will be there on the left hand side and the concept name will be there on the right hand side, so that you will come to know speed calculation, all the varieties of questions, digital sum, all the varieties of questions. Everything will have a particular topic name and the concept name so that you can do it. I hope it is clear. Now write down. Now write down. Key point. Key point. Key point. First key point. How to find the square of a number. 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 Finding the square of a number, there are multiple methods. There are multiple methods to find the square of a number. A Pascal, a mathematician, proposed that you can find the square of a number using a plus b whole square. Using a plus b whole square, which stands for a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. To find the cube of a number, we are going to use a plus b power 3. To find the fourth power of a number, we are going to use a plus b power 4. It is an introductory concept to find the square of a number. For if the number of digits are more, if the number is a complex number, there are some better methods to find the square of a number. We will discuss a concept, we will see the demerit of a concept. Then we will get into the next concept. How to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. We are using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The first doubt a student might get is, what is this slash? Suppose 23 is there. If I write a slash before tens place or after units place, the slash is after units place or before tens place. So if I keep a slash before tens place, the value of 2 will become 20. Why? Because it is nothing but 2 is there in the tens place. 2 is there in the tens place. The slash will help us to determine that the value of a is nothing but a into 10. Why a into 10 came into picture? A is there in the tens place. Suppose if the question is 178. 1 slash 78. Before hundreds place I am keeping slash. So it is nothing but 1 into 100 plus 78. 1 into 100 plus 78. I hope the idea it is clear. So it is nothing but 178. Again I am repeating this key point. What is the definition of slash? Slash will tell us the value of a particular digit depending upon the place value where it is present. A is present in the place value. A is present in the just 1 minute, sir. A is present in the tens place, so the value of A is 10. The value of A is 10. Actually, what am I doing? I am doing just what am I doing? This is nothing but a into 10, 10a plus b whole square. 10a plus b whole square, which is nothing but 100a square plus 20ab plus b square. So what am I doing? A square slash 2ab slash b square slash b square. These a units place, the is a tens place. So if slash is kept before tens place, it is into 10. 2ab into 10, it is 20ab. Slash is kept before hundreds place. A square into 100 is nothing but 100a square. I hope the proof is clear and you have understood the meaning of this slash. I hope you have understood the meaning of this slash. Again, I am repeating this important key point. If slash is kept before tens place, it is 2 into 10 plus 3. If slash is kept before hundreds place, it is 1 into 100 plus 78. A is there in the tens place. Before a, it is the slash, so 10a plus b whole square. 100a square plus 20ab plus b square. So b square 2ab a square. B 2ab, it is in tens place. That means b square, whatever value that you got, only write down the unit digit. 2ab, whatever value you got, only write down the unit digit. A square can take anything. Definition of a square of a number, importance of a slash. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now the second question. Now this is a concept. Every concept we will do as many examples as possible so that you will be crystal clear with the concept. Even in my absence, if you are explaining my concept with somebody, you will be able to see with an eye-to-eye contact and an absolute clarity of what is slash, how this concept came into picture. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, this is a concept. First problem. Everything will be extremely neat, sir. Notes also will be very, very neat. Topic name, concept name, it will be there. First problem. 78 whole square. I want to find out 78 whole square. The first introductory method is a plus b whole square. A is 7 and b is 8. A is 7 and b is 8. So this is nothing but a square slash 2ab slash 2ab and next is b square. A square, 2ab and b square. 7 square is nothing but 14, 9. 2 7s are 14, 14 8s are 112. 8 square is nothing but 64. 8 square is nothing but 64. Write down the unit digit. Unit digit in 64 is 4. 6 carried. 6 carried. What is 112 plus 6? 112 plus 6 is 118. I told you that it is a tens place. Only unit digit should be written. 118. Write down 8. 11 carried. What is 49 plus 11? 60. Except the leftmost place. Every place write down the unit digit. Again I am repeating. 64. 64 write down the unit digit. Anil sir, why are we writing only the unit digit? Why? Because B is taking only one unit digit. I will come to that point after 2 minutes. A square, 2ab and b square. 49, 112 and 64. 64 write down 4. 6 carried. 112 plus 6 is 118. What is the unit digit in 118? 8. 11 carried. 49 plus 11 is 60. 6084. Then a lot of doubts will come. Sir, what if it is a 3-digit number? What if it is a 4-digit number? Everything we will discuss. We will go from the basic level to a cat level. Just listen to my class, sir. Your understanding will be extremely good through problem by problem. You will also understand why Anil sir is starting from basics. 94 whole square. If it is 1 minute, sir. If it is 94 whole square, 94 whole square is A is 9 and B is 4. So this will become A square and next is 2AB. Next is 2AB and the next one is B square. 9 square is 81. 2 9s are 18, 18 4s are 72. 4 square is 16. 6. 1 carried, 73. 7 carried, 81 plus 7 is 88. Answer is 8836. Till here, any doubts are there? Kindly reply in the comment by writing the doubt. In case if there are no doubts, reply with a no doubt, no doubt. Right after the concept is over, then I will ask you to keep your comments so that you will also have a complete focus when the concept is going on. Everybody make it a habit of replying it in the live chat. Let it be a very dialogue based class instead of just taking me a class. Everybody should understand each and every concept whichever I am taking. Everybody. Manasi says no doubt. Shubham says no doubt. Other students, kindly reply it in the live chat. Make it a habit of replying. That's the only acknowledgement. I got to know whether you have understood the concept or not. My little request to you, kindly when you are listening to the class, get away from the social media distractions. Keep everything turned off and focus on the class. Otherwise you will get disturbed because of a call or anything. Tell your parents also in case if you are sitting in home, you are listening to the class. This is for a 2-digit number. This is for a 2-digit number.